How to leave/exit/deactivate a Python virtualenv. I'm using virtualenv in the virtualenvwrapper. I can switch between virtualenvs just fine using the work on command. How do I exit all virtual environments and work on my system environment again? Right now, the only way I have of getting back to me at my machine $$ is to exit the shell and start a new one. That's kind of annoying. Is there a command to work on nothing, and if so, what is it? If such a command does not exist, how would I go about creating it?
Usually, activating a virtualenv gives you a shell function named, which puts things back to normal. I have just looked specifically again at the code for virtualenvwrapper, and, yes, it too supports deactivate as the way to escape from all virtualenvs. If you are trying to leave an Anaconda environment, the command depends upon your version of Conda. Recent versions, like 4.6, install a Conda function directly in your shell, in which case you run. Older Conda versions instead implement deactivation using a standalone script.
Use. If this doesn't work, try. Anyone who knows how bash source works will think that's odd, but some wrappers/workflows around virtualenv implement it as a complement/counterpart to source activate. Your mileage may vary.
I defined an alias, workoff, as the opposite of work on. It is easy to remember.
To activate a Python virtual environment. To deactivate.